Alright, so welcome back. Thanks for tuning in to another video. Today we're going to talk about weed control and what's the best product to control weeds in your lawn. Stay tuned. Alright, so we're going to get into it. Now these are 5 products that you're going to actually find in your local big box stores that are going to help you fight off and control weeds all season long. Reason why I'm doing this video is because some people don't know what's available to them. And I know these products here are just big box store products. I know a lot of people use a lot of commercial grade products, but I want to show people what is easy accessible to them. Same way I did the fungus control. I wanted to show you what you can actually go out and find right on your big box store shelf that is going to help you control weeds or fungus in your yard. Right now we're going to talk about weed control. Now when it comes to weed control, the first active ingredient, the basic active ingredient that you're looking for in your weed control is actually 2,4-D. 2,4-D is going to help you control a lot of basic weeds in your lawn. Some of the basic weeds are dandelions, bittercress, clovers, wild onion, wild garlic, and I actually had to fight off wild onion in the back of my lawn all the way in the back early in the year. I had a lot of dandelion, no, was it daffodils and wild onion in the back. So 2,4-D is going to help you fight off those basic weeds. Now since these are like little lower grade products, you're going to probably use maybe 1 to 2 multiple uses to actually get control of those actual weeds in your lawn. But you definitely can control the weeds in your lawn with these products. Now if you're looking for a little more protection, or like if you're trying to fight off crabgrass or nutsedge or something of that caliber, even the grassy weeds, you got nutsedge. The grassy weeds are as crabgrass, foxtail grass, goosegrass, poana, stuff like that. You're gonna have to actually look for an active ingredient called quincorlac. Now quincorlac is gonna help you fight off a lot of those grassy weeds, the pesky weeds. Those are the ones that are gonna give you a hard time, and if you don't jump on top of them early, they're gonna hang around all season long, and they grow at a rapid pace. So now if you got some of those pesky weeds like the crabgrass and stuff already into like that stage 3, stage 4, it's going to be very hard to control them with these products here. These products are more at an early stage, like stage 1, stage 2. You may be able to control it at stage 3 and stage 4, but you're going to have to probably use multiple uses, and then when you do that, you're probably going to also have to just most part, if you had it at stage 4, just dig out the crabgrass. You can dig it out and then you just replant seeds down there. But if you get them early, you can definitely use these products here. Now, well, not this product. This product here is a little bit different. So when you're looking for your weed control killer, make sure you look at the labels. Now this label here, this is an older Bayer Advance, because now they're called Bio Advance, but this is a product I already had on hand already, so I just wanted to show you guys what's the difference between this product and the rest of these products here, because that's very important on finding how to kill weeds in your yard also, because you want to make sure you got the right product for the right job. So this product here has a little bit of pre-emergent in it. That's why it's going to give you 6 months of weed control. So it has like some kind of like prodiamine in it. Prodiamine is going to give you, it's a pre-emergent that's going to give you a long-lasting weed kill and suppress weeds longer in your yard, compared to the rest of these products that are actually just a weed killer for the moment, and you're going to have to keep controlling the yard all year long. So that's the difference between this product and this one here. This one doesn't have crabgrass control or nutsedge control. This is just a basic 2,4-D dicamba weed killer. So it's going to control the basic weeds like it show on this part right here. No crabgrass, no grassy weed control at all out of this product. So this product is for people that already use some kind of pre-emergent, or you might have quincorlac as a separate ingredient and you just want the actual pre-emergent out of this bottle here. So let's get to the next product here. Image is probably the most, I would say the highest, has the highest active ingredient in weed killer in the big box store that I've seen personally. Image has serventrazone at 1.6 and quinclorac at a 5.0. That's pretty high on the big box store market for weed control. This is going to definitely give you crabgrass control and kill some of the basic weeds also. Now, like I said, 2,4-D kills all the basic weeds, but the serventrazone and quinclorac is going to help kill dandelions and clover. Now, this one is a little more on the pricier side in the big box store. It's going to run you about 20 bucks. Now, all of these products here are the concentrated products. These products also come in hose and sprayers and the ready use products also, that you got your own the pump already and you can just go around and spot spray the yard. I like the concentrated product where I can actually use a separate ortho dial sprayer and I can get the hose and sprayer that way, or I can just use a pump sprayer and use a spot spray mix on my own. I like to do it myself, so because it gives me control of what I'm going to use, so I don't have to overuse the product. All right, so let's get to the next product. The two most comparable products on the market here are Spectracide and the Roundup. These two are actually have almost the same active ingredient, 2,4-D, quinclorac, dicamba, and serventrazone. So they're pretty much going to kill the same weeds. Now, only thing you're going to look at now is the price. This one is going for about, I mean, between 6 to 8, 9 bucks in the big box stores, and this one is going to run you about 15 bucks. So it's all personal preference when it comes to, you know, what brand you want to use and everything of that nature. Me personally, I always use Spectracide. I save a little bit of money and it works. I never had a problem with it, but I've used Roundup also in the past also, and it's going to give you a good kill and control the weeds very quickly in your yard also. Can't go wrong. It's all about your personal preference and how much you're willing to spend. Now, for the last two products here on the shelf, these two are the same, made by the same company, Ortho. They're both Ortho Weed B Gone. As you can see, I picked this one up here. It was $1. That's why I picked it up. But this one is different from the orange top. You see the difference? Yellow top, orange top. The orange top, you're gonna get crabgrass control. That's gonna that is gonna let you know that the active ingredient got quinclorac in it. Excuse that noise. Let that bypass. Okay. So the active ingredient is gonna let you know. The orange top is gonna let you know that you got quinclorac as an active ingredient inside this bottle. The yellow top only has 2,4-D and dicamba. This is gonna give you just basic weed killer. That's what I told you before. Dandelions, bitter crisp, daffodils, wild onion, wild garlic, things of that nature. We don't have to go through that again. So me personally, I would never really buy this product, because why buy that product when you're gonna get the same product for a couple dollars more, and it's gonna do a lot more. It's gonna control crabgrass. Only thing this product doesn't do is it doesn't kill nutsedge. So you're not gonna get nutsedge killer. So to me, on this table, the best overall killer is probably the Spectracide, and then I will go ahead and say Image, and then Roundup in third. That's what I would do personally, because Spectracide is probably the best to me, is because of the price. The price is definitely right on this product. Now, I'm not pushing for any product. I'm not sponsoring any product over one another. I'm just showing you the products that I keep on hand and that I've used in the past with great success to control weeds in my lawn. A lot of people don't know what products to use. Hopefully this video was a little bit of a help to you. All right, so there you have it. That is the basic information on basic weed control and what you can find in your local big box stores that's going to help you fight off weeds in this grass all season long. I didn't want to make the video too short, but hopefully you guys get the message. So just remember, if you're looking for a basic weed killer, you want to look at the active ingredient 2,4-D, If you're looking for a grassy type weed control and weed killer, you're looking for the active ingredient quincorlac. If you're looking for nut sedge control or killer, you're looking for the active ingredient sulfentrazone. Hopefully you guys get the picture. These are all the items you can find in your big box stores, ranging from a price of about $6 all the way up to about $18 to $20. So there you have it. You have a wide range. It's all of your personal preference. I'm just showing you a couple products that I've actually used and had great success with. I have a couple videos in the past using a couple of these products already. If you want to go take a look at that. I'm not sponsoring any brand up here. I just wanted to show you guys what I've had great success with. Sometimes that helps and it lets people know that you do have some products out there that are not overly expensive, because to get a lot of those commercial grade products, you're going to be spending about $40-50, and you know, some people just don't have the money to spend it like that. And plus you have to order those products, and sometimes your local state won't allow certain active ingredients, highly concentrated active ingredients in those products on your lawn, allow you to put those on your lawn. So some states ban certain products, you can't even get them. But majority of times, a lot of these products are actually at your local big box stores because they are approved, they are local, state, and basically government approved to be in those big box stores, because the concentration is so low, but it's going to be very efficient. So there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know if you used any of these products in the past, and leave it in the comment section. Did you have great success with them, or did they not work for you? Me personally, when I use my weed killer products like this, I always add some kind of surfactant in it. A surfactant, it could be anything as Dawn soap, Johnson & Johnson baby shampoo, or you can go ahead and buy a dedicated surfactant, and that's going to help actually break down the leaves or the weeds protective barrier. You know, if you look up close at a plant, I want to show you guys. If you look up close, I wonder if you guys can see that, or maybe you can't, I don't know. If you look up close on any plant's leaf blade, you're gonna see like a waxy kind of feeling. This is the plant's protective barrier. So when you use an actual surfactant, that is like a wetting agent, is gonna help break down this waxy coating protecting layer on the plant, and actually make the weed killer a lot more efficient at breaking down on the plant. So when you use these weed control products, make sure you have an ample amount of time where it's not gonna rain or any irrigation. You want that weed product to actually sit on that plant for at least 4 to 8 hours, depending on what that brand of products say. You want it to sit on there for 4 to 8 hours so it can actually soak into that plant and break down. And then maybe in about 48 hours, then you can mow the grass and actually start to cut out the dead weeds, the dying weeds. And then if you go ahead, if you see that you need a second application, then you go ahead and apply it a couple days after that. So hopefully, guys, this video wasn't too long, but I wanted to explain it to you guys. I wanted you guys to know what options you have, and have you ever used any of his products? Let me know. So thanks for tuning in to another video, and we'll be back in the yard again shortly. Take care.